I'm Welder Crystal. Today I'm going to weld this arrow pipe. As you can see, it's very big, right? So I will use our biggest closed Orbital automatic welding machine to weld it. And before welding, I need to fix them together simply by our cold machine. This is our biggest one among our closed Orbital automatic welding machine, and it can weld max to 168 mm. And you can see it's very big, right? It's the big. And you can change this fixture to suit your pipe. Now I will show you how to weld this pipe by this biggest one, this machine. Align the tungsten needle. Welding is begin. You can see this pipe is very big, so it will take more time to weld it. Because the customer wants to see which the welding effect. If the tube didn't build other gas, so I didn't build other gas into the pipe as usual. Okay, let's see the welding effect. What do you think about this welding thing?